Fije. My tribe is possibly Mongolian, but we are Indian. So I am assuming that you are from somewhere in the northeast of India, Manipur, Nagaland, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, thereabouts. So there is this popular belief in India, which is that the people of northeast India are of Mongolian descent. They have Mongolian ancestry. They are of Mongolian origin. This is a very popular belief in India, and it has been essentially encouraged and promoted in the academic sphere. So there is this outdated and unscientific concept of the Mongoloid race. There is no such thing as race. Okay, this concept is completely unscientific. But this is what India's academicians and historians have been propagating, that there are two or three races in India: Aryan race, Dravidian race, and Mongoloid race. And that is why there is this very popular misconception that the people of Northeast India are Mongoloid or Mongolian in origin, which is not true. Yes, you are right. You are Indian. You are very much Indian. You are as Indian as anybody else, but you are not Mongolian in origin. The people of Northeast India, they speak Tibeto-Burman languages. So this is a language family that stretches all the way from all the way from Tibet in the north to Burma in the south, to Myanmar in the south. So this is one common language family, which indicates that this is originally one common ethnicity that eventually spread across a large geographical area and grew apart and slowly developed different forms of culture and languages. So the people of Northeast India, most of them, they speak Tibeto-Burman languages. So you are not Mongolian, you are Tibeto-Burman. And the thing is that linguistically you are Tibeto-Burman, ethnically you are Tibeto-Burman. But if you check the DNA, if you examine the DNA of the people of Northeast India, they also demonstrate evidence of the same genetic markers that are found throughout India. So one of the most common patrilineal haplogroups or lineages in India is called R1A1A, and it is erroneously called the Aryan gene. It is not the Aryan gene, but that's what some people like to call it to present a certain narrative of history. So this lineage, R1A1A, is found in North India, South India, East India, West India. It is found in tribal peoples, it is found in Adivasis, it is found in Brahmins, and it is found in the people of Northeast India as well. So genetically, you have similar ancestry and the same ancestry as most of the people or much of the people in other parts of India. So genetically, you are very much Indian, even though superficially the people of Northeast India may have a slightly different appearance. But culturally and genetically, you are very much Indian. Of course, the genetic mix in Northeast India is diverse and it is different from other local regions of India. But still, there is a genetic connection and a very strong cultural connection as well. So I would disagree with the statement that it is possibly Mongolian. No, it is not Mongolian. It is most likely Tibeto-Burman. And I agree completely that you are absolutely 100% Indian.